If you want to keep viewers watching your content, here's how you can add end screens on your YouTube videos. So first of all, open YouTube Studio. For that, you can open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. And once you are logged in, click on content from the left menu, and then find the video you want to add an end screen to. Click on the pencil icon, which stands for detail. Then open the editor, scroll down and click editor from the left sidebar. Add an end screen. For that, you have to click on plus end screen. You can choose from YouTube's template or create your own layout. You can add subscribe button, video or playlist suggestions, or even channel links. Just drag and place them wherever you want. And by default, the end screen appears in the last 20 seconds. You can trim it or move elements as needed. When you are happy with it, you can click save, and that's it. End screens are perfect to boost your watch time and subscribers. And if this helped, make sure to like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more videos like that. See you in the next one.